Book critique number 5 by Allison Solis. For my featured text, I chose Song of the Swallows, written by Leo Politi. It is an informational and historical fiction book, and it's meant for children between the ages of 6 to 9 years old and has won the Kettlecop Medal. This book is near and dear to my heart because it has everything to do with my childhood in my hometown, San Juan Capistrano. Although I didn't read this when I was little, everything this book talks about is what I have learned growing up. The mission is a very special place for my family, considering my grandpa used to work on the mission grounds itself, and all my dad and his siblings went to the mission school. It was called Old Mission School back then. My dad's family even lived where the new basilica is now. I also attended the new version, the mission school, now called Mission Basilica in San Juan Capistrano. This book tells the history of Mission San Juan Capistrano and the famous yearly return of the swallows through the eyes of a young boy named Juan. Juan meets Nipros when they migrate, and the rest of the story out loud. The main point for where the students do class is the Spanish cab words, the cookie, as well as challenging a widow and put encourages faith 5 to 8 end up taking her by Audrey story, but across the country between the meant for children babies are for children of dying in a dramatic way.